snowstorm today. As you can see, this is a snowstorm. It's ginormous. It's getting in my face. We're gonna be walking around for a little while. Look at all that snow. Whoa, it's a snowstorm. It's like a blizzard. It's like a snow wonderland. It's getting everywhere. It's so everywhere, guys. Okay, let's keep walking. Just for a little while. It's so big, guys. Look at all the snow. Ooh, it's cold. But we're gonna be walking around for a while. Just for a little while. Just down the road and back, maybe. As you can see, there. It's freezing. You can collect snow in like seconds. Look at all that snow. Just from the blizzard. We had no snow, and now there is a whole bunch of snow. See that? All this is from that blizzard right now. It's gonna collect up. It's so cold, guys. Oh my gosh. This blizzard, and guys, it was my B-Day like 2 days after Christmas. So yeah, it was my B-Day 2 days after Christmas. I'm sorry I didn't tell you guys yet. I'm about to do a Christmas special soon enough. There's just lots of snow, and it's freezing. There's all the snow. I can't wait to go snow. It's so snowy, guys. I hope you liked the video. It was very snowy. Whoa. As you can see, the snow is so awesome. One more look at the snow, and goodbye.